Let's see how to stop Microsoft Word 2007 from capitalizing the first letter of each sentence. So if I type anything here, and whenever I press the space bar to start typing the next word, the first letter, that D, will be capitalized. So space bar, and it was capitalized. It's a capital D. Okay, to stop this, let's go here to the Office button and go down to Word Options, then come here to Proofing and AutoCorrect Options. And here on the AutoCorrect tab we have capitalized first letter of sentences. Uncheck that one and just close it with OK and OK. Now if I type in anything here and press spacebar to start the next word, the first letter was not capitalized. It's a small s.